going to be late for dinner. Oh, wait. I don't have a watch. He's late!
Hey, quit swimming around so much. We're almost there, little guy.
Sans!
Huh?
You're late again! How many... what?
I found them in the snow, nearly frozen. Dude.
Sans, don't you dare!
Guess I brought home a...
Don't!
popsicle.
My day's ruined!
No worries, I guess you can say my brother's having a rough day.
Enough! Now, can't you be serious for a moment here?
That might be possible.
That's it, come here!
Come on, I'm holding the pup.
Yow! Let go!
Here, let me...
Ouch, 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 ouch!
Man, he's a grip of steel.
Sans, stop!
Pep?
It's clear now. What must be done, Sans?
Yeah, bro?
We're going to have to cut off my hand.
What?
Are you laughing at me? Quit it! Quit it! How can you laugh at me at a time like this?
I'm sorry, Papyrus, but come on, bro. It's not gonna come to that, okay? Let's try this. Alright, little guy, get the bone. Yeah, boy. Come on. Huh.
It's hopeless! No!
Hey.
Let's go. Now.
Good boy.
Sans, what was with your voice? Me? Sans, I'm free!
See? I told you. Not...
I, the Great Papyrus, thank you for your service!
Come on, I barely did anything. I brought the pup home in the first place. I don't deserve it.
Still, thank you, brother.
You're the coolest, bro. Pep?
Canine! How dare you ruin a piece of the Great Papyrus's battle body!
Wait, Papyrus.
Sans, bring it back down now!
No.
Give it to me!
No.
Sans, we're getting rid of that thing!
What? Can't do that. He's just a puppy. He doesn't know what he did wrong. We can't throw him back out in the cold like that.
I know, you're right, I can never do that to it. But it still ruined the scarf you made me. No. I know you worked really hard on it.
Aw, Pappy. Don't worry about it. I can fix it, bro. Though I don't see why you'd want to.
Huh?
I think it makes you look even cooler. I mean, anything you wear just looks cool, just.
You're right. It does add some daring features. Perhaps I actually owe this canine a thank you. It obviously did it for a reason.
Hey, Papyrus, maybe you should...
It's alright, brother. I feel the canine and I have a special bond forming now.
Okay.
Doug, as a thank you, I, the Great Papyrus, will allow you to take shelter under our roof. See? It adores me as it should. I guess it is kinda cute. How about a little pig? Yeah! Sans! There's no bond! I was wrong!
There.
Why does the canine hate me?
What? No, he doesn't.
Sans, it bit me twice. Does it not want to be my friend? Why would it not want to be friends with me? Am I a bad friend?
No way. It's nothing like that. It's just, you're a skeleton. He's, well, a dog. You know how dogs are about bones. They dig them. Your bones must look quite fetching to him.
Stop it!
I'm sorry, Papyrus. Those are starting to get a little repugnant.
Oh my god! Everything is terrible today!